Hello students, welcome to the SoSport learning session. SoSport, one of the leading means help the students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. And here is the science subject for the grade 3 with the chapter 3, what do animals eat? And from this chapter we are going to learn different kinds of animals according to their food habits. What does an animal eat? Different animals eat different types of food. Like some animals eat only plants, some animals eat only animals, and some eat both flesh of other animals and even the plants. Animals live in the places where they find food and water. And why do animals need food? They need food to grow, to obtain energy, for doing work, and to move from one place to another place, and also to be healthy. And here is the division of animals according to the food habits. First one, carnivores, herbivores, and the omnivores. Let's see one by one. Herbivores. These are the animals which eat only plants. And the animals like cow, rabbit, zebra, goat, elephant. Here the best example for the herbivores. And these have a wide front teeth that helps them to bite leaves and grasses. They have strong back teeth that helps them to chew the leaves. And some animals like cow, buffalo, camel nibble their food first. They nibble their food first and swallow it. And then when they have time for relax, they bring back that half digested food to their mouth and keep chewing properly, and this process we call it as chewing the cud. You can observe a cow and camel when they relax, they keep on chewing the food. That is the half chewed food which they swallow and they bring back to the mouth and chew it properly. And we can see some of the animals like rabbit, squirrel, and they have the sharp front teeth to chisel the to bite the hard food grains and other things. They make keep on chewing the food repeatedly. This process we call it as gnawing of food. And what does the insects eat? Insects and the most birds eat plants. Some insects eat the tender leaves. Here you can see some of the plants will be damaged, like leaves will be eaten by the insects. And some birds, they eat some leaves and fruit seeds. And here comes the carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat the flesh of other animals. They do not eat plants. Here are the example for them: tiger, lion, leopard, wild dogs, snakes, and eagles. And they have a sharp teeth, good eyesight, and strong limbs. In the limbs also they have the sharp claws. That claws help them to tear the food and the animals, and also to hold the animals which they hunt. And the sharp teeth help them to tear the flesh and cut the food into pieces. These are some of the examples for carnivores like wolf, lion, crocodile, tiger, orca, shark, frog, snake. These are all the carnivorous animals. And carnivores have a sharp teeth, good sight, and strong limbs. We already discussed these claws. Here you can see the sharp claws of the carnivores, which help them to hold the animals while they hunting and eating. And they too have a strong jaws in their mouth, which help them to crush their food properly. And here you can see the carnivorous snakes eat small animals like birds, frogs, mice, eggs of birds. They swallow their food and they don't bite the food, they just swallow the food, and the inside it will be digested. And all the snakes are carnivores. And some of the birds like eagle, owl, they are carnivores. They depend on the food life. They eat the small birds, frogs, fishes, and they have, here you can see the blue heron eating the snake. It depends on that snakes in the water. And they have sharp and strong beaks and even the claws. And you can observe here Egyptian vulture. It is also a carnivorous bird which feeds on the eggs of the ostrich. When it is not able to swallow the food wholly, it will break the egg and then take it as the food. And many kind of fishes eat only other animals. Like such fishes have a sharp teeth. Sharks, it is a big carnivorous. They are power in killing and hunting the other fishes. We can see it will attack the small fishes and take it as its food. And here are some of the insects which take their food as the small insects which damages the plants. Here is the ladybird beetle which takes it food as the small insect which lives on the leaves or plants. And it also helps the farmer in killing those insects and avoid damaging the plant. That's why it is called as the farmer's friend. And the dragonflies feed on mosquitoes and small flies. Here are some of the bees which depend on the small insects. And frogs and toads also eat insects. They have long, sticky tongue. They have a long, sticky tongue with which they catches the insects and they roll back their tongue to swallow the food. Here you can observe in the pigs, frog is using its long sticky tongue to swallow the food. And toad also eating some small insects. And here comes the omnivores. Omnivores are the animals which take their food as both plants and animals. They eat both plants and animals. And the example for omnivores are bees, peacock, chickens, sparrow, fox, and some of the pet dogs. Here you can see the peacock. It will have the grains also as its food, and it also feeds on the small insects. Even we people eat both veg and non-vegetarian as a food. That is both flesh of animals and even the plants. And other example for omnivores are bears, pig, hen. And human, raccoon, bear, chimpanzee, seagull. These are the examples for omnivores. And these are all about the types of animals according to their food habits. And we can see some of the other food habits like some insects like butterfly, bees, mosquitoes, they have a long tube-like mouth. Here you can see for the mosquito, it is having long tube-like mouth. Using this, it will suck the food. As we know, our mosquitoes sucks on our blood from our body. When it bites, it sucks the blood from our body using this tube-like mouth. And the food habits of dogs and cats, they use their tongue to lap the water and milk. And what did dinosaurs eat? What were the dinosaurs eating at that time? When they exist, they ate lizards, turtles, eggs, and early mammals. Early mammals are the small baby animals. And they even also hunted the small dinosaurs for their food and also ate the dead animals. Most of the plants they were eating, but there was no grass at that time when they exist. And here is the division of herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and their foods with some example you can learn here. And remember these things when you visit to the zoo. Do not tease animals. Do not go near animals with food or water. Do not lean on fence, wall, or enclosures of animals. And do not throw the sticks, stones into the animal enclosures. Do not go near the young ones, animals, birds, nests, burrows, and honeycomb. Why? These animals get angry and may try to attack on us also, and we should not harm the small animals also. And this is all about the chapter what does an animal eat. And you can also watch us on YouTube. And here is the class for today. Thank you everyone.